Hello, everyone. I'm Rob Thomas with Club and Resort Business, and I have an unboxing for you. By now, you've all heard or read about pickleball, fastest growing sport in the country. And I have it at Sun Valley right there. But I'm gonna talk about something different. I'm gonna talk about pickle juice. Look at that. You were looking for the fastball. I threw Uncle Charlie at you. Pickle juice is the only product on the market scientifically proven to stop muscle cramps and prevent dehydration and aid in recovery. Yeah. Pickle juice. This is a proprietary grain and blend of vinegars that blocks nerve endings from being sent from the brain to the muscle. Pickle juice. Easy, right? Blend of vitamins and minerals for immediate muscle recovery. How great is that? Stop muscle cramps, prevent dehydration and aid recovery. What more could you want? Superintendents, keep this in the maintenance barn for staff, right? They're going to want to stay hydrated. They're going to be functioning well. Club managers. Now, some of these in the locker rooms, right? Your golfers, your tennis players, they sweat a lot when they're out there playing. I give them an alternative to keep them at their peak performance. Learn more at picklepower.com. Picklepower.com. Before you go to picklepower.com, do me a favor. Give us a like below. Hit the subscribe button. Well, you know we have other items, whether it's pickle juice. It's clear. I'm looking forward to trying this. Pickle juice. Something for the food and beverage side, something for the pro shop, whatever. Take care, stay well, and have a great day.